onions, garlic, potato, carrot, celery, a bit of ginger in a hot pan. Add some salt and pepper, freshly crushed up, nice amount. Put it in. Just frying off. And there we go. Some peppers. Then in there. Once a chef, always a chef. So, brown that off a little wee bit. A little bit over. Nice and browned off that. It singed, but I like the flavour when it's a little bit singed. And then, this is pinto beans, soaked overnight. And boil them, put them in. This is really a bean thing I'm doing. Nice and healthy. Put that over. Right, so that's hot now with the beans in there. This is caraway seed, thyme, paprika, chilli. In. This is passata, tomato juice, all that in, put it all in, I can't fit that, it'll go everywhere, I'll end up skating on the floor, leave that for a bit. So what I've done now, I've filled up that water, pour it in there, and now just simmer it away and season it to your taste. And that's it. And thank you for watching. I'm back. I've got to say, you need to just keep an eye on that, leave them for a couple of hours, keep coming back, tasting it. A couple of hours and that'd be lovely. And I've already got some rice already cooked off for that, and I'll have that when I eat it later. Thank you for viewing.